Exhibition or not, hockey fans expect toughness, speed, and scoring.
We'll see if this game delivers. An exhibition match featuring the Colorado Avalanche and the New York Rangers. Mark Stahl grabs the puck. McDonough. New York gets a hold of it. Landeskog gets pushed. Hayes gets the loose puck into the attacking zone. Johnson with the puck.
5-2.
Landeskog dumps it in on the end boards. Colorado scooped it up. Sigmundja gets checked.
That's tough to take.
Sigmundja jumps on the loose puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Putin finds the loose puck. Brings it out. Played up. Duchesne with a wrist shot. Colborne gets in the way. He jumps on the loose puck. Wrist shot. Blocked. Putin with the puck. Colorado puts its checking line out. Passed across. Colborne knocks him off the puck. Colorado scoops it up. The Rangers dump it. To Eric Johnson. Takes control. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. In over the line. Shea runs over Nieto. Grigorenko gets the loose puck. Berry.
Line 2.
New York puts its third line out. Through center. Played up. Berry jumps on the loose puck. Soderberg takes it. Grabner. Into the attacking zone. Sigmundja shoots the puck. Corralled by New York. Putin. Lundqvist hangs on for the whistle.
Mascots from around the league will be participating in contests, photo sessions, and lots of...
Kreider takes control of the puck. Nieto gets hammered. Kreider with the puck. Nieto gets it. Lundqvist gets a pad on it. Lundqvist hangs on for the whistle. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Over the line. Working along the perimeter. Verkoch gets shoved. Shoots quickly. Blocked. Nash gets the pass from Lundqvist. Ahead to the neutral zone. Over the blue line. Moved ahead.
Line 1.
Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. Mitchell has an unbelievably hard shot.
And Jim, that's the result of long hours of practice. He's dedicated himself to perfection.
I'd say he's getting pretty close. Kreider. Stahl shoots quickly. Kreider grabs the puck. Shot the puck. New York takes over. Duchesne. Rantanen took it. Along the boards. Berry. Colorado puts its second line out. Berry gets thrashed. Fast with a wrist shot. Landeskog takes control of the puck. Vissy fires it. Leg save.
The shot was on target, but so is the goalie.
Stefan with the puck. McKinnon. Soderberg in control now. He gets laid out. McKinnon scores!
That puck had back of the net written all over it. What a goal! As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. Colorado is now up by 1.
The first goal of the game, and it comes late in the period. Two powerful factors when it comes...
He really stepped into that slap shot and whipped it past the netminder. That makes it a tie game.
You hate to allow a goal near the end of the period. It can have a huge effect on momentum. The first period is over, and now comes a critical time in the game. first intermission. This is when coaches adjust their strategies to get their players to correct any first period mistakes.
Welcome back to what's been a close game so far.
Let's see if the second period can shake things up a bit.
Colborne. Mitchell for the howitzer. Advances the puck. Vuchnevich takes possession of the puck. Colborne. Colorado grabs it. Mitchell. New York gobbles it up. Stefan. Third one-timer. Brings it out. Duchesne. Shoots the puck. Pad save. Played back. Duchesne shoots the puck. Stahl gets it. Colorado puts its checking line out. Holden jumps on the loose puck out of their defensive end. Quick pass up. Shot blocked. Moved up. Shea knocks the puck loose. New York finds it. Colorado kicks it up. Rene Bourque. He dumps it. Taken by New York. Colorado touches up for icing.
Can enter the spectator area with enough speed to cause serious injury.
The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. McKinnon wins the draw. Sedorov takes control of the puck. McKinnon gets pushed. Sedorov scoops up the loose puck. Stahl, wrist shot. Varlamov shuts the door.
What a save off the blocker.
Komal gets hold of the puck. Soderberg, quick shot. New York jumps on it. Zuccarello. New York grabs it.
Line 4.
Fast dumps it in on the end boards. He roughs up. Rantanen moved across, moved ahead. Grigorenko gets laid out. Zuccarello grabs the puck. He gets pushed. Smith finds the loose puck. Fast. He dumps it in.
Line 2.
Sigmundja shoots it quickly. He scores! Wow, what a wrister he uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
Colorado has fallen behind by one.
Earlier, that wouldn't have been a big deal. Now the game's half over, and it matters a whole lot more.
Mitchell steals the pass. Quick pass up.
Line 2.
He gets shoved.
That shook him up.
For the wrist shot. Houghton knocked him off the puck. He gets it. Colborne out over the blue line. Rubbed off the puck.
Stood him up perfectly, Jim.
The Avalanche dump it in. New York takes control. Zigbanjad. Zuccarello dumped it in. Colorado has it now. He shoots! Varlamov made the huge save. Passed ahead. McDonough gets hold of the puck. Hayes dumps it in. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the faceoff circle. And out they come with a puck. Brings it in. Landeskog gets the shot off. Shea stops the shot. Moved up. Offside. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Nash with the puck. Nieto turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Lundqvist turned the shot away.
Play in the second.
Fires it hard. Leg save by Lundqvist. Houghton takes control of the puck. Rick Nash. It's the end of the second period. The Avalanche haven't been able to generate a lot of offense.
You can't always wait for the perfect shot. Sometimes you just need to pepper the goalie and hope for the best.
Welcome back to the game.
Well, it's been close so far, so settle in for what will be a great third period.
The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Landeskog knocked him off the puck. Duchesne, fast, gets a hold of it. Perry shoves fast.
That's what you call an occupational hazard.
Fast, jumps on the loose puck. Rantanen, Landeskog grabbed it. He dumps it. New York scooped it up. Kreider. McKinnon pushes him.
He gets bumped off the play.
Fires! Lundqvist makes the pad save. Healy with the puck. Colorado puts its third line out. Soderberg takes possession of the puck. Fisherman gets crushed. Soderberg jumps on the loose puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Johnson finds the loose puck. Vucinovic over the blue line. Wrist shot. Varlamov scones him. Sigmundja takes control of the puck. Zuccarello with a wrist shot. New York grabs it. Colorado puts its third line out. In over the line. Shea with the puck. He gets checked.
Tried to slip away, but no good.
Verkoch gets in the way.
Line four.
McDonough jumps on the loose puck. Bork shoots. He scores!
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
The goalie will be seeing that one in his nightmares. Midway through the third, and it's anyone's game.
Now, if someone's going to play the hero, they better do it fast.
Up along the board. McDonough knocks him off the puck. Colorado grabbed it. Along the boards. Bork takes control of the puck. Grigorenko. Mark Stahl takes possession. Into the attacking zone. Rantanen scoops up the loose puck. Landeskog gets shoved. He scoops up the loose puck. Rantanen. McDonough shoves him. He takes possession of the puck. Cranked him.
That'll keep him guessing.
Landeskog gets the loose puck. Nash. Vucinovic now with it. Rick Nash grabbed it. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Varlamov turned the shot aside. Verkoch intercepts the pass. Over center. Passed across. Holden with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Como. Sigmundja gets hold of the puck. Soderberg gets pushed. Como finds the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Played up. Working along the perimeter. Lundqvist gets the blocker on it. The score is tied, and time is starting to become a factor.
Well, at this stage, both teams are going to start playing more conservatively. Now they'll wait for overtime to make a move.
Stahl. He gets bumped off the puck. Hayes shoots. Kreider takes it. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. Hey! Shoots quickly! Bork stops the shot! Shoots quickly! Varlamov! Shut the door! Grigorenko grabs the puck. Rene Bork. Zibanejad scooped it up. Verkac pushes Gradner.
He put him through the ringer there.
Gradner knocked him off the puck. He corrals it. Bork. Nieto took it. Gradner shoves Nieto. Centered. Verkac gets hold of the puck. Grigorenko pushes Zibanejad. Zuccarello gets the loose puck. Zibanejad. Colorado grabbed it. Brings it in. Wrist shot. Lundqvist makes the pad save. Nieto with a wrist shot. He misses by a mile.
Tickets are still available to our next home game. Please visit the box office and get them while they last.
You can feel the tension as this game goes into overtime.
Jim, a close game like this generates a lot of pride. You want to be known as the team that can win big games.
In over the line. McKinnon. Stahl jumps on the loose puck. Hayes. He dumps it in. Colorado scoops it up. Hayes hammers Boscheman. Stefan with the puck. Kreider grabs it. Boscheman runs over Kreider. Boscheman takes possession of the puck. Hayes. Picked up by Colorado. And out they come with the puck. Advances the puck. Wrist shot. Lundqvist gets a leg on it.
Pad save, nicely done.
Move back. Zibanejad gets the pass from Lundqvist. McDonough played up. Zuccarello dumps the puck in. Grigorenko. Zuccarello shoots the puck. Bork jumps on it. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Vucinovic jumps on the loose puck. Como. Colorado in control now. Rick Nash. Nash scooped it up. Varlamov with a huge save. Moved ahead. McKinnon. The Avalanche dumped the puck in. Holden grabbed it. Rick Nash. Taken up.
Using his body there.
Nieto dumps the puck in. Colorado gobbles it up. Shea. Varlamov gets a leg on it. Zibanejad fires hard. Barry gets in the way. Grigorenko takes control of the puck. Nieto dumps the puck in. Colorado takes control. Leg save.
Denies him with the pad.
Zuccarello gets the loose puck. Boscheman gets nailed. Nieto finds the loose puck. He shoves Zuccarello. Nieto jumps on the loose puck. Sedorov. McKinnon gets shoved. He grabs the puck. Smith gives him the business. McKinnon takes control of the puck. He blocks the shot. Smith with the puck. Zibanejad brings it out. We're down to a minute on the clock.
And at this point, the players are getting pretty worn out.
Hayes backhand advances the puck. Boscheman gets hold of the puck. Mark Stahl shoves Rantanen past ahead. Stahl takes control of the puck. Gets hit. McDonough gets the puck. New York has it. Quick shot. New York now with it. Out over the blue line. Brings it in. Stahl, huge shot. He gets hold of the puck. Varlamov gets a pad on it. Stefan Johnson knocked him off the puck. Rantanen. Colorado has it now. Intercepted in the slot. Landeskog with the puck.
If you thought overtime was tense, just wait for the shootout.
With our next fantasy thing. You'll play hockey with your childhood heroes during a fun...
After 3 periods plus overtime, we're headed to a shootout.
It's all up to the goalies now.
Varlamov was just a little faster than the shooter.
I'm not sure it was easy, but he definitely made it look that way.
Colorado has the momentum after the first shot.
Even if they miss, they still haven't lost any ground.
Lundqvist comes up with the save.
It's all in the timing. If he's a split second early or late, that puck's in the back of the net.
New York will take their second shot.
It all comes down to how well the goalie knows the shooter. Can you predict which way he'll go?
Colorado preserved the tie. Now it's their turn.
The fact that they shoot last could turn out to be very important.
One shot, and he pulled it off.
And their bench is going crazy. What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
New York now looking to even things up.
Well, he can use either his speed or his agility to beat the goalie.
Varlamov denies the shooter and preserves the lead.
He may have been guessing about the shot, but he certainly guessed right.
Colorado is looking to go up by 2.
And that would make this shootout theirs to lose.
Lundqvist makes the save.
Oh, smart goalie. It looked like he tempted the shooter into making that move.
New York will take their 4th shot.
Oh, this looks like it could be a 1-goal shootout.
Varlamov keeps his team in the lead.
That takes a lot of pressure off the shooters.
Colorado will try to pad their lead.
With the lack of scoring, another goal could put this one out of reach.
Lundqvist stopped that one.
Did he know the book on this shooter, or did he tempt him by leaving a hole? Only he knows for sure.
New York will now take their 5th and possibly final shot.
Jim, they'll need a goal and a save to force a 6th.
And that's the end. Colorado has battled through a lot and emerges the winner.
Winning the vast majority of faceoffs proved to be the key in tonight's contest. They did a great job of getting the puck, and ultimately, it won them the game.
Tonight's second star for New York Rangers, number 36, Max Zuccarello.
From New York City, I'm Jim Hewson.
And I'm Craig Simpson. For EA Sports, goodbye.
See you next time.